Hello, welcome to the unboxing video of the Kaspa Series 1x4x24mm Shotgun Muzzleloader Ballistic-X Reticle Scope made by Weaver, manufacturer number 849847. It has a 1x4 magnification. It does have a 24mm objective diameter. It comes in a camo finish. The reticle is a slug muzzleloader reticle. Your tube is a 30mm tube. Your field of view is 109 to 27 feet at 100 yards. Your eye relief is 4 inches. The overall length of the scope is 10.5 inches. Your click value is 1/2 inch at 1/4 yards. It does come with an Allen key wrench. It comes with your manufacturer instruction booklet, your Ballistic-X reticle specification sheet, your warranty and registration card, and a lens cleaning cloth. It does have flip-up style lens cap covers that come on the scope. Again, it is a 30mm tube. It is a rugged one-piece tube construction. It is nitrogen purged to eliminate internal fogging, so therefore it is fog-proof, shock-proof, and waterproof. It has fully multi-coated lenses. And again, your click value is 1/4 inch MOA. For your windage and elevation knobs. Again, it is a slug muzzleloader Ballistic-X reticle. I can get it in there. And again, this has been the unboxing video for your Kaspa Series 1x4x24 Shotgun Muzzleloader Ballistic-X Reticle Scope made by Weaver, manufacturer number 849847.